Curious about Kangen water, this device right here, or formerly known as electrolyzed reduced water? If so, and you want to get the facts, you want to get the truth, you want to get your answers, and you want to actually connect these dots in real time, listen up, this video is for you. First of all, the most important thing to realize is that not all water is the same. From bottled water, tap water, to reverse osmosis, distilled water, alkaline water, spring waters, you name it. While some of these waters have benefits and good things like minerals and filtration, there's also some negatives. Whether it's the contaminants in tap water or whether it's the microplastics in bottled water, perhaps it's the acidic, demineralized, no hydrogen, low voltage, distilled or reverse osmosis water. Even alkaline water, you have to be careful because you can simply pour a chemical in it and call it alkaline. And spring water isn't the same as it was 100 years ago, from chemtrails, agricultural runoffs, pesticides, contaminants in our air and soil and our water that's literally leaking into our natural spring. So what makes Kangen water so different than all of that? Well, first, it's called electrolyzed reduced water, and you can actually look up on Google Scholar, PubMed, all sorts of different scientific and published literature if you want to dive in yourself. Now, you're probably thinking Kangen water is the water that you actually drink. And while that is true, there's a lot more to the story. You see, on this device, there are 6 different buttons that create 7 types of water. Would you believe me if I told you that those 7 types of water have close to 99 plus different uses? The main water that most people drink is the 8.59 or 9.5 water, and that's different pH levels and also different levels of hydrogen and voltage. So in a glass of Kangen water, you're actually going to get dissolved molecular hydrogen gas, and this is a proven antioxidant, and it helps the body detox these free radicals. If you want, go research dissolved molecular hydrogen gas, better known as hydrogen water, and look at the benefits for yourself. Not only that, this water has a negative millivoltage. Now, why is that important? Well, if you go outside or go in nature, you're constantly getting these negative ions, and now you can get up to negative 400 millivolts or more just in your glass of water every single day. So the other waters that it produces is a beauty water, which acts as a toner or acts as something you can use for your plants or for cleaning your windows or cooking. You can also use a water called hypochlorous acid, a 2.5 pH, and that's for disinfecting and sanitizing your home and environment. Chemical free. There's another water, 11.5, you can use for cleaning your produce of pesticides and degreasing your home. And the list goes on. And this water is produced by an ionizer that's actually medical grade. It has an ISO certification. Why is that important? Because there's a lot of knockoff brands, a lot of other companies that claim to do what an adjunct does, but fall short when it comes to all the check marks. So yes, not all water is the same.